Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm actually here with my homie Josue, Boosted Josue. We're going to get his exhaust switched on his Bimmer. He has a 335i, and then we are installing the VRSF Exhaust. So we're just going to install that real quick. Simple. Sound clips, befores and afters going up too. I think that's pretty much it. Here's the GR. Nothing going on with the GR right now. No money, no money. But you stick us.
Yeah, sit over here.
Damn.
Oh, good, good. Hold it while I move the drill.
There you go.
What?
You got some fat ass tubes.
Usually it's 5 inches.
Damn. What's yours?
Cuny has 3.
Mine's 3.5.
Took out the exhaust.
Wait, the tips that they put on yours are 5 inches?
Yeah, those are 5. That's the stock ugly ass exhaust.
Ooh, Chris Wells, look at
The car back at home on the jack stand.
Nah.
This whole exhaust came off on one piece.
How much? 20 minutes right there?
It's crazy. Yeah, like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
You just started?
Dude, right when you got here, literally we just jacked up the car.
I was like, yeah, I want to see what's outside.
Seems like
You always pass by. Stop lying.
No, I know. Only sometimes this way, but I usually go the other way.
Only sometimes this week is crazy.
Yeah, you're supposed to come by this way every time.
You're supposed to come check up on him, make sure he's still alive, bro.
Make sure my house not on fire.
Yeah, what the hell? It's gonna be loud, dude.
The pop's gonna be loud, huh?
Hell yeah, they're gonna resonate.
So you still got two now? The pops?
Yeah.
How did you take it out?
Huh?
How did you take it out?
Yeah, but put it back on.
Oh.
Ready, Mom?
No, I don't want to be right here. The fuck? Oh, wait.
And when you just push the clutch all the way in and then press the button right now. Hold on.
Alright, doing good.
You got it? Yeah.
Dude, you could hella hear it. Rev it a little bit.
turbo sound crazy. crazy, dude.
Shit sounds hella crazy. Damn, bro. Alright guys, that's gonna do it. Hope you guys enjoyed a quick little video. Just the before and after changing my friend's exhaust. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you. Catch you.